In this video, we will show you how to send USDT from Binance to a trust wallet. If you guys want to get started with Binance, you can use the links down in the description. First, launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Here, tap on Add Tokens, search for USDT and select the correct network, e.g. Ethereum TRC20. Now, tap Receive and copy your USDT wallet address. Then, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. After that, click on Wallet and then Spot Wallet. Find USDT in your list of assets and click on it. Next, click on Withdraw and search for USDT. Here, paste your copied Trust Wallet USDT address into the recipient's USDT address field. Choose the correct network for USDT transactions, e.g. Ethereum TRC20. Now, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check all details, then confirm the transaction. In the end, complete any required security verification steps. So, that's how to send USDT from Binance to a Trust Wallet. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.